No, the same thermostat wiring plan cannot be assumed to work across all heat pump brands because terminal assignments and control logic vary. Heat pump thermostats rely on consistent labeling and signal expectations between the thermostat and the outdoor unit and air handler. Always start by comparing the thermostat wiring diagram to the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning unit's installation manual, matching each terminal by function rather than by color. Pay special attention to the O and B terminals because different manufacturers energize the reversing valve on either heat or cool call, and swapping that incorrectly will make the system run in the wrong mode. Confirm whether the system uses a common wire for power or a power stealing thermostat is acceptable, and if not, run a dedicated common conductor from the control board. For systems with auxiliary or emergency heat, verify the exact control sequence expected by the heat pump and the thermostat to avoid staging conflicts that could cause short cycling or excessive fuel use. If you encounter non-standard wiring, label all conductors at both ends, take photos, and when needed program the thermostat to match the manufacturer-specified terminal mapping. The three most common issues are reversed reversing valve control, missing common wire, and incorrect auxiliary heat configuration. Reversed reversing valve control happens when O and B are swapped, so test the thermostat by calling for both heat and cool and switch the O or B assignment in the thermostat settings until the outdoor unit changes appropriately. A missing common wire causes the thermostat to lose power or rely on power stealing. So run a dedicated common conductor from the control board or install a compatible power extender kit. Incorrect auxiliary heat setup results in backup heat running too soon or not at all. So set the thermostat heat pump balance and outdoor sensor input correctly and confirm the staging order with the equipment manual. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare projects and pricing, while also giving contractors a place to list services and find work. We host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange experience and troubleshooting tips related to thermostat, wiring, and heat pump setups.